Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password to your Galaxy A27. So, in such case, the best decision would be reaching out to Samsung customer service and telling them about the issue itself. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by, for example, showing them a proof of the ownership of your device to them, then they'll be able to help you out and help you resolve your issue and unlock your smartphone without removing any data from your device. But if you cannot do that, then you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation. If you have an alternative way to access your smartphone, for example, using your face recognition scanner or fingerprint scanner, do that to back up all the data, all the important data you have on your smartphone to either your PC or an external drive or the Google Cloud or any cloud trusted by you. And after that, we can either perform a factory reset operation remotely or locally. Let's start with the remote options we have. So since this is a Samsung device, it supports both Google Find Hub and Samsung Find My Device. So depending on which account you have linked to your smartphone, either Google or Samsung, you're gonna have to visit the respective website. I have the Google account linked to the smartphone, therefore I'm gonna be using the Find Hub website. Now, of course, this website has to be opened remotely, so from another device that you have. So it can be your maybe tablet, your maybe another smartphone, your PC, your laptop, whatever. Open a web browser and open Find Hub website. You can easily find it on Google. It's one of the Google services. Once you get here, you're gonna have to sign in to the Google account that is linked with your Galaxy. Then you're gonna have to select your Galaxy on this list and select Factory Reset Device. Then tap Next and wait until the remote factory reset operation is finished. And after it's done, you're gonna have to set up your device once again, and then you're gonna have to then if you prepare a backup, you'll be able to restore your data. The other way to perform a factory reset operation, as I mentioned, is local, which is can be done through the recovery mode. Before you can perform it, you're gonna need to connect your smartphone to your PC or your laptop using a cable. So let's do that now. The next thing that we're gonna have to do is force shut down our smartphone by holding down volume down button and power key at the same time until the screen goes off, like this. And after that, we're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key and power button together and just keep holding them until your device gets into recovery mode. Now, this is gonna take a while. Here, using your volume keys to navigate and power button to select, you have to navigate to wipe data / factory reset and press power button. Then navigate to factory data reset, press power button once again. This will restart your, well, not restart, but quickly restart your smartphone, after which you'll be redirected back to this page. After that, you're gonna have to click Reboot System Now and wait until your smartphone is restarted. It's gonna take a while since the factory reset operation has been performed. And once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll have to set up your device once again and restore your data from the backup if you prepared it. So the rest stays the same. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.